Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add email in Facebook. First of all, to do that, all you have to do now, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open the menu, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. And tap on these settings. Under these settings, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says personal details, this one. As you can see, this personal details, tap on it. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this personal details again. So as you can see now, here it says contact information. Tap on this contact info. So as you can see now, I already have email under my Facebook account. So if you want to add a new email, tap on this add a new contact. So as you can see now, here it says add phone, mobile number or email. So choose email. So from this section, all you have to do now, go and type in your email that you want to add. For let's say I want to add a email. So after you tap your email, as you can see like this one, so just tap on this section, scroll to down and select the account. So after you check on this section now, tap on this next button. Now it will add your email on your Facebook account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.